guys, what's up? Today is Friday. It's the middle of the day right now, and I'm not at work. I actually took a day off. It's my birthday today, as well as my wife's birthday, and I have about an hour to do whatever I want. So I took my NSX out. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. I don't have a whole lot of time, so I guess I'll just drive around, show you what it's like to drive around in Seoul. So it is really nice out today. Very sunny, and as you can see, we have the top off. I'm just gonna enjoy the top off. So this is what I have to deal with every day. Look at the traffic, it's horrible. So many cars out in the road. But that's okay, because we're going somewhere where there are less cars. If you want to live in Seoul or any other cities for that matter, you have to get used to this kind of traffic, or this kind of traffic lights. They're everywhere and you can't really drive around, so you really have to make use of the little straight free road that you have ahead of you. So it's 3:40 p.m. and there are already this many cars on the road. This is just horrible. So since I'm stuck here forever, I'm gonna follow that guy and see if I can find a shortcut to a nearby road over there. This is actually where I wanted to be, so I came the right direction at least. Again, there's no certain destination that I want to get to. I'm just driving around because I have about 1 hour free time. By the way, guys, you've all heard of Gangnam style, right? So this is Gangnam. From here, well, not from here, but this is the Shin-Nonhyun station, the subway station, and to the next block, which is the Gangnam station. This area is what people call Gangnam area. Probably not a lot of you guys know this, or not a lot of you guys have seen what Gangnam looks like. So this is it. This is all Gangnam. This is where all the young people come to eat and drink. So you see a lot of these young people walking around, and if it gets after past midnight, it gets pretty crazy. It gets pretty rowdy. You see a lot of passed out. Well, not even after midnight, but the next morning on my way to work, I see a lot of people still drinking. So Seoul never goes to sleep. It's like a 24-hour city. The bars never close. Some of them do close at around 2 or 3 in the morning, but a lot of them stay open all night. And not to mention the clubs. The clubs are open pretty much 24/7 every day. So by the way, this is Gangnam Station right here. It's also it used to be the meeting spot for a lot of the young people when they meet in Gangnam. So around here is where people would meet, and they would walk around and go find places where they want to go. So you know, living in Seoul and driving around in Seoul, especially with downtown Seoul, it's not that much fun. You really have to get out to the countryside to be able to really enjoy the NSX driving. But I mean, it is nice to get out once in a while. No, by now I'm starting to realize that this may have been a pretty bad idea to take the NSX out in the middle of the day on Friday in the afternoon. I just realized the traffic is really, really bad everywhere you go. I mean, I'm just hoping for one straight open up road ahead of me so I can just floor it once. But that just might not happen today. We'll see. Fingers crossed. Jesus, you probably can't see from the camera from this angle, but it's a downhill, and I can pretty much see all the way to the end of the straightaway, and it's jam-packed. It's just insane how much traffic there. Can you see? Can you see that? I don't know if you can. It's pretty crazy. I have to be home in about 30 minutes. I don't even know if I can get there by then. At least the weather's still really nice, and I am really enjoying this open top-down driving. Well, not driving, top-down being stuck in traffic. But hey, you know, at least I took the car out. I'm out here as opposed to being stuck in the office. Drag race. No, I'm just kidding. I don't drag race. So it is now 4:30. My wife told me that I need to be back home by about 4:45. So I have 15 minutes to get home. Let's see if I can pull this off. But from the traffic over there, it doesn't seem very likely that I'll be able to pull it off. Man, the traffic is crazy today. Jesus. But I really do wish the traffic light, there were less traffic and traffic lights, because it feels like I'm not moving more than I'm moving, which is probably true. But yep, this is what Seoul is like. Almost home, and it is now 4:50, so that's not too bad. I'm only 5 minutes late. So I have to get home and get changed and go to take my wife to a nice restaurant. So I'll see you later. Bye. Alright guys, so that was a brave attempt at me trying to drive around in Seoul during the weekday in the middle of the day. Driving around the general Gangnam area for about an hour. Unfortunately, I think I was stuck in traffic most of the time. I don't even think VTEC ever kicked in. I don't even think I broke about 5,000 RPM. So I just ended up time-lapsing most of the driving footage, except for when I was making a few comments here and there. So I guess it's not the greatest video of me or someone driving around in Gangnam or around in Seoul, but I think that's the most realistic representation of the crappy traffic situation that we have to deal with on a daily basis. So at least I tried. I give myself credit for at least trying to take the car out and drive it, as opposed to not taking the car out. So even though most of the driving was time-lapse, I hope you got a somewhat of a glimpse into what Seoul is like to drive around. And thanks a lot for watching, and hope you liked the video. Please hit that like button and please subscribe, and I'll come back to you with some finally with some wrenching contents. Bye. 안녕.